If you're planning to become a licensed electrician in New Jersey in 2026, this video will walk you through exactly what you need to know. We'll cover the Journeyman requirements, the New Jersey Electrical Contractor License, which is the state's master level credential, the application process, and what you can expect on the exam. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. Stay with us until the end because I'll also share a discount code you can use on our New Jersey electrician exam prep materials. In New Jersey, electrician licensing is handled by the Board of Examiners of Electrical Contractors, known as the BEEC, under the state's Division of Consumer Affairs. This board oversees both journeyman electricians and electrical contractors. They review applications, verify work experience, manage license renewals, and handle complaints or disciplinary matters. So before you apply or schedule your exam, it's important to understand which license you're pursuing and what the board expects from applicants. The New Jersey electrical exam is based on the 2023 National Electrical Code. For the trade and alarm systems portions of the exam, PSI provides the book for you at the testing center. That means you cannot bring your own copy and you cannot use a book that has been highlighted, marked, or tabbed. The only reference you're allowed to bring yourself is the NASCLA Business and Law Guide. That book can be tabbed ahead of time, so make sure it's organized before exam day. To qualify as a Class A journeyman electrician in New Jersey, you must be at least 18 years old and have a high school diploma or GED. You'll also need 8,000 hours of documented hands-on electrical experience, with at least 4,000 of those hours completed within the last 5 years. On top of that, New Jersey requires 576 hours of classroom instruction. One important note: supervisory or management experience does not count towards the hands-on experience requirement. The application fee for the journeyman license is $40. The best path for most applicants is to enroll in an approved 4-year electrical apprenticeship program. As you work through your apprenticeship, make sure every hour is properly documented and signed off by your employer. New Jersey is going to want proof of your hands-on experience, so accurate records are extremely important. Once you meet the requirements, you'll submit your application to the board along with a signed photo, proof of your high school diploma or GED, and the $40 application fee. That fee must be paid by check or money order. And here's the part that surprises a lot of applicants. There is no separate written exam for the journeyman level in New Jersey. Your journeyman credential is based entirely on meeting the education requirement and having your work experience verified by the board. New Jersey does not issue a separate master electrician license. Instead, the electrical contractor license is the state's top tier electrical credential, and it's the license you'll need if you want to operate as an electrical contractor. To qualify, you must be at least 21 years old and have 5 years of qualifying electrical experience. There are 3 ways to meet that experience requirement. First, you can complete a 4-year approved apprenticeship and then gain 1 additional year of hands-on electrical experience. Second, you can earn your New Jersey journeyman credential and then complete 1 more year of qualifying experience. Or third, if you have a degree in electrical engineering, you'll need 2 years of qualifying field experience. The application fee for the electrical contractor license is $100. Once you meet the experience requirements, you'll file your electrical contractor application with the board and include your required experience documentation. You'll also pay the $100 application fee. After the board reviews and approves your application, they'll send you an examination eligibility notice. Once you receive that notice, you can schedule your 3-part exam through PSI. After you pass the exam, there's one more important step. Before you can legally bid or perform electrical contracting work in New Jersey, you must obtain your business permit and pressure seal. And one more thing to know: New Jersey does not offer reciprocity for electrical licenses. That means even if you're already licensed and experienced in another state, you still have to go through New Jersey's full application and approval process. The electrical contractor exam is administered through PSI and has 3 separate parts. The first part is the electrical contracting trade exam. This section has 100 questions and you'll have 260 minutes to complete it. The second part is the business and law. This section has 50 questions and a 130-minute time limit. This is the part where your NASCLA Business and Law Guide comes into play. The third part is the alarm systems. This section also has 50 questions, but you'll have 165 minutes to complete it. You must score at least 70% on each part to pass. The total exam fees are around $180. On your first attempt, you'll take all 3 parts on the same day. If you fail one section, you'll only have to retake the section you failed. However, there is a 6-month waiting period before retesting. You'll also need to pass all required sections within 3 attempts, so preparation is extremely important before you sit for the exam. Once you're licensed in New Jersey, your license will renew on a 3-year cycle. For journeyman electricians, New Jersey requires 15 hours of continuing education during each renewal period. That includes 1 hour covering New Jersey statutes and rules. For electrical contractors, the continuing education requirement is higher. Contractors must complete 34 hours of continuing education, including 9 hours focused on National Electrical Code updates and 1 hour covering New Jersey state law. The renewal fee is $90. One helpful detail, your very first license cycle is continuing education free, so CE requirements begin after your first renewal period. Let's do a quick recap. So for the New Jersey Journeyman Electrician credential, you must be at least 18 years old, have 8,000 hours of documented hands-on experience, and complete the 576 classroom hours and pay the $40 fee. There is no standalone journeyman exam. Approval is based on verified education experience. For the New Jersey electrical contractor license, you must be at least 21 years old, have 5 years of qualifying experience, and submit your application to the board and pass the 3-part exam. And the application fee is $100. And for both licenses, renewals run on a 3-year cycle. When you're preparing for the New Jersey electrical contractor exam, focus first on the high-frequency NEC topics. That includes load calculations, grounding and bonding, conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, boxes, raceways, and services. You'll also want to practice with real exam-style questions under a timer. Remember, this exam is not just about knowing the material, it's about finding the right answer quickly. For the business and law section, get comfortable navigating your NASCLA business and law guide. Know where the major topics are, use your tabs effectively, and practice looking things up before exam day. Since you'll be taking all 3 parts, pacing is critical. Don't burn too much time on one section or one difficult question. A structured study guide can save you hours by showing you exactly what to focus on instead of guessing your way through hundreds of code sections. That brings me to the discount I promised. Use code 2026NJ at checkout on oneexamprep.com to get 15% off any New Jersey electrician exam prep package. Whether you're preparing for the electrical contractor exam, brushing up on business and law, or getting organized with NEC practice questions, our prep materials are built to help you study smarter and walk you into exam day with confidence. Again, use code 2026NJ at checkout for 15% off your New Jersey electrician exam prep packages. If you're preparing for the New Jersey Journeyman Electrician Credential or the Electrical Contractor exam, or if you're an out-of-state electrician trying to understand New Jersey licensing rules, check the links below. We have New Jersey-specific exam prep materials, 2023 NEC resources, practice exams, and live classes designed to help you prepare with confidence. Don't forget to use code 2026NJ at checkout on oneexamprep.com for 15% off your New Jersey Electrician Exam Prep package. Subscribe to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel for more state-by-state electrician licensing breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.